Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to create scatter plot in Excel. So I've got some sales and profit numbers of an organization starting from the year 2000 till 2022. So to create the chart, we are just going to use these two columns, sales and profit, because scatter plot allows for only two variables. So once you select the data, you go to Insert tab, particular icon, and select the simple scatter, and there you have it. So the bubbles are plotted along X and Y axis. So your first column will always be the x-axis. In this case, it's the sales column. So these are the sales numbers, and the profit numbers will be on the y-axis, the second column. So you can also add a trend line just to indicate what the trend is. You can format it, change the color, and make it attractive as well. So this is how you create scatter plot in Excel. Thanks for joining. I'll see you in the next video.